Hey you guys! So I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I pre-poo and why I pre-poo. If you're interested in my routine, keep watching. I know somebody's gonna ask me, what is a pre-poo? Basically, a pre-poo is a pre-shampoo. It's when you add an oil to your hair before you shampoo. Pre-poo improves manageability, softens hair, and adds additional nourishment to the hair.
I'm my natural high, my natural legs, my natural thighs, my natural breasts, I'm my natural hips, my natural hair, I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous.
So I'm gonna start off by spritzing my hair with warm water till it's about slightly damp. The warm water will open my hair's cuticles, allowing the oil to easily penetrate my hair. One of the reasons why I love to pre-poo is because shampoo dries my hair out. It strips the moisture out of my hair, leaving my hair extremely dry. So by pre-pooing, I'm able to retain moisture and prevent my hair from drying out. Another reason why I choose to pre-poo is because detangling with an oil in your hair is much easier, as knots just entangle with less resistance, because oil keeps my hair moisturized and super soft, which reduces breakage. Also, olive oil is one of the few oils that is moisturizing because it penetrates the hair strands, therefore it helps your hair retain and lock in moisture. It's also packed with a lot of nutrients. I personally love to pre-poo because I get amazing shine, that hair glow. It makes my hair feel incredibly soft too. I left the oil to sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. Now I'm getting ready to rinse it out.
These are my natural highs, my natural legs, my natural thighs, my natural breasts, I'm my natural lips, my natural hair, I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. I'm a pretty young thing and I can
Start off by rinsing my hair with warm water to prepare it for the cleansing process. Since I had the oil in my hair still felt super soft while I was shampooing, which is definitely a thumbs up for me because my hair gets extremely dry. Even when I'm using moisturizing shampoo, my hair still gets so dry. So that's why pre-pooing is a must for my hair. My hair just responds so well. I absolutely love to pre-poo.
I'm natural hair, I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. My hair's long, but my legs are longer. You got it.
After I shampooed, I then applied conditioner. Applying this conditioner was a breeze. My hair felt so moisturized, the tangling was a breeze. This couldn't be possible if I didn't pre-poo. My hair felt super soft, tangle-free, moisturized, and manageable. I literally have the best wash days when I pre-poo. So that's why pre-poo is a must for my kinky curly hair. Love it.
These are my natural highs, my natural legs, my natural thighs, my natural breasts, I'm my natural lips, my natural hair, I'm natural here, I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. I'm a pretty young thing and I can't complain. In my raspberry H3 switching lanes with the sunroof looking like a picture frame. On my way to the beach, my hair flying free. Looking at the crowd, oh what do they see? Everybody turn, all eyes on me. I'm not Tupac, but I'm the NAT, and I taste so sweet. These are my natural highs, my natural legs, my natural thighs. here. I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. I'm natural here. I'm natural there, naturally fabulous. My hair's long, but my legs are longer. You got it, man, keeping it natural on ya. Put it to work and don't hesitate. I bet I can show you how to make it levitate. Calling all cars just to see me. Make you wanna be all over my body. No freaky deaky or river dirty. I make you crave just to get off of my natural. My natural.